In this video, I'll show you how to contribute to your Robinhood IRA step by step using the mobile app. Whether you have a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA, adding money to your retirement account is simple once your account is set up. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner and go to the Retirement or IRA section of the app. Here, you'll see your IRA account balance, portfolio details, and contribution options. Next, tap on the option that says Contribute, Transfer, or Add Funds depending on your app version. Robinhood will ask how much money you want to contribute to your IRA account. Enter the amount you want to deposit, then choose the linked bank account you want to use for the transfer. Before continuing, review your yearly contribution amount carefully because IRAs have annual contribution limits set by tax rules. Robinhood may also show how much of your yearly limit you have already used. After entering the amount, review all the transfer details carefully, including the contribution year and funding source. You may also have the option to set up recurring contributions if you want money added automatically on a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. Once everything looks correct, tap Review and confirm the contribution. Robinhood will begin processing the transfer, and the funds should appear in your IRA account after the deposit is completed. After the money arrives, you can start investing directly from your IRA account into stocks, ETFs, or other available investments. If you experience any issues, make sure your bank account is linked properly and that your app is updated to the latest version. And that's how you can contribute to your Robinhood IRA step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials.